Happy
Hey
Tuesday,
guys.
Newsday.
Happy Tuesday, Newsday. Here we are. Guess what? Katie and I both have a cold. So it's, even though
Just
it
like
is
the
Christmas in
season.
July, we have a cold like it's the middle of winter.
It's perfect.
We have the deep voice, so.
Yeah, we do.
But we are so excited. Look, we're so happy. We even put our
a little joyful.
our Christmas sweaters, if you will.
Yeah, but it's Christmas in July, and we've got lots going on this month, especially this week. So stay tuned. We're going to share some stuff that's happening this week.
Yeah.
But when you're in town or even online, keep an eye out for a lot of the
new fabric lines in the Christmas store.
Yeah. Those fabric lines, fabric tutorials.
Well, when we
fabric
were
collections, products, so many fun things.
So when we were there a couple weeks ago, when I was there with Al, Katie was recording. We got to walk through, and they hadn't even gotten the new lines in. They said there were 40 new lines coming. And so that's actually kind of the exciting thing is that they're in the store now. And Katie is going to show you. There's one called Frosted Wishes.
Yes.
Holly Jolly Calico.
Feathered Festivities.
Ooh.
Snowtop Mountain.
Yeah,
it's the flannel line.
Flannel. You guys, mountain flannel. I love flannel.
It's really cute.
And honestly, the best kind of quilts, Christmas quilts, are made out of flannel. They're just fun.
They're cozy.
I don't know why.
Like softer with every wash.
Yes, that's what I'm gonna say. I never thought about it.
Nice.
For some reason, like, this is just me, right? Baby quilts were flannel baby quilts, and they're just one piece. And the idea that people can piece quilt patterns in flannel is so fun. And I know, I mean, like, this isn't new to me, right? I've been around it a long time. But I remember still the first time I saw a pieced flannel quilt, and I was just in awe. I just loved it because it was just it's the different fabric, and it feels so soft. And you're right, they just keep getting softer. It's just like the baggy comfort sweatshirt you wear in the winter, but like your quilt. I love it.
It's so good.
Okay, wait, what is the other ones? Poinsettia Radiance.
Christmas Magic, Sweet Christmas Memories, Cozy Christmas.
Cozy Christmas. They're so cute, you guys.
It's so
Suffolk
good.
Holiday too is also in the shop.
Yes.
And if you you can find it online and in the shop.
Yes.
But yeah, so we have a ton of stuff happening in town for Christmas in July.
Yes, we've got our Jingle in July event, which is the 16th and 17th of July.
Jingle.
Which they'll have so many different things happening within town. So they're like free make and takes. So if you are in town the 16th and 17th.
You don't have to sign up, just come to
town.
It's all free.
It's all free. But like go check out the fabric market between 2 and 3 p.m. There'll be a ton of free make and takes. As well as in the accessories store. They'll have a lot of little free
that's right. They're gonna do some
fun leather things with Tina. So that will be super fun. They're just gonna have I know that they're having a lot of deals, so their daily deals will be good. And Christmas related. They're gonna have a ton of like I think what is it called? Like the it's like a Black Friday event type thing happening.
Yeah, wait, let me read what they told me. So there's a free holiday make and take. It says drop in, get crafty, and take home something handmade and beautiful. No experience or ticket required. Just show up and start making. It's the most fun you'll have this side of the North Pole. I love that. I'm like, when I read that, I was like, that's so cute. So Thursday the 16th, you're joining Shelby and Morgan in the fabric market from 2 to 3 p.m. and they're making an adorable Christmas ornament using fabric scraps.
Yes.
And what else, Katie? What are we doing Friday?
Friday is the Christmas item. So you make a Christmas item out of leather with Tina Hancock at the accessory store.
And we all know if you've ever made anything with Tina, you're going to have a good time.
Oh my gosh, it's so fun. She's so fun.
She is just fun. You literally don't have to make anything. You're going to have fun with Tina because hanging around with Tina and the girls from the leather, like, hometown, it's so fun. They just have a blast. Good. So make sure if you're in town, come and join us.
Oh yeah, and then also with the At Home with Misty, if you haven't seen that, watch it. It's so cool.
Yes.
But they've got the template builder set, the wreath and repeat. So that is one thing.
Oh my god.
That is also that's going to be for sale. Oh, the Makers Black Friday is the 17th. So there's huge deals on Friday. So don't forget that.
Yeah.
But definitely look at this. It's so cute. So if you haven't checked the At Home with Misty tutorial, definitely check that out. It's really fun.
The wreath and repeat, you guys. That's
Oh, yeah.
so fun. Anyway,
got lots of fun stuff happening.
yeah, this week is fun. So if you're in town, come join us. And if not, join us online. Follow along. We'll have stuff showing on there and all that. So,
we love it.
Love you.
Love you guys.
Bye.